Hi, this is Saranan from Lotus Advisory Services Limited. Today we are going to see the technical levels for all the commodities. To start with our international gold levels, we can see the gold prices is trading in around $1,150 to $1,150 levels. You can see the moves of $20 to continue in the coming session. Maybe today's news of unemployment news could trigger the prices maybe in the lower or upside. But overall, we can see in a weekly basis the prices remains weak. More sharp decline can be seen below 1140 levels to test the initial support level of 1100 levels. Overall, for intraday we are highly range bound, and for weekly basis we are bearish on gold dollar. If you see on Indian market also, the prices is testing the resistance of 25,900 to 26,000 levels, and again selling is coming at the higher levels. So we can see the prices could trade around these 25,700 to 25,900 levels. So for next move we can have to wait for the break below 25,700, again to a sharp decline up to 25,300 to 25,000 levels on a weekly basis. You see silver also trading in a tight range between that 15.5 to 15.7 levels for the last 3 to 4 days. So if you on a weekly basis, we can expect prices again weak. Current the trading levels is 17.7. So on weekly basis we can expect the prices to test $17, $15 levels. Overall it is looking weak only. And if you see the silver levels, prices in MCX is trading around 34,500 to 35,000 levels. For 500 rupees it is trading highly range bound. So we can expect prices to trade in this range. A sharp upside can be seen above only 35,000 to 35,200 levels only. Otherwise we can expect prices to trade in this level. A break below 34,400 on a closing basis can see prices a sharp decline to 33,500 to 33,000 levels. Overall, gold and silver intraday levels to a short term it is highly range bound, but if you see on weekly basis both the commodity looking weak. And move on to copper. Copper on a closing basis we can see the prices is trading around 410 to maximum to the level of 414 levels. But for intraday prices tested again the support levels around 410 to 410.50, again now slightly bouncing back. So if prices breaks and holds above 414, we can expect a sharp upside till 416 to 418 levels also. But in case if selling is again coming around at 414 and the prices is able to close below 410, we can expect a sharp decline again to 403 levels. So as of now we have to wait for more clarification, and the trading levels remains range bound between the 411 to 414 levels. If you see nickel prices is looking positive, and more buying could come up if on a hold above 960 levels to test 970 to 980 levels. Overall nickel is looking positive with a strong support is seen around 950 levels. Lead prices also holding positive, and currently it could face some strong resistance levels at 126 to 126.50 levels. A break above 126.50 we can see prices testing 128 to 129 levels, with a strong support seen at 125. If you see zinc also prices is trading positive, though the prices is trading between the tight range of 139 to 140 in the past sessions. Currently we can expect the prices to test its immediate resistance at 141, and more positive till 142 to 143 is possible. Aluminium is among all the base metals. Aluminium looks very positive. Prices is currently trading around 127.50 levels. We can expect prices to trade the initial resistance at 129 and more sharp upside can be seen above 129 to test to 132 to 133 levels. Now current support is seen around 126 levels. So overall, if you see the base metals except copper, all the base metals looks positive, and copper also looks positive above 414 levels. Move on to energy sector. Prices is on a weekly basis. Crude oil, it is trading weak below that $80. We can expect prices to test $75 on a weekly basis. But here on MCX, we see the prices is trading in between that 4730 to maximum levels of 4800 levels. Overall, it is trading range bound in these levels. Today, crude oil inventory is there, so it could decide the next move in dollar as well as the Indian moves. But overall, if you see that on a weekly basis, we can expect prices to test the initial support of 4700, and more sharp decline can be seen below 4700 levels. Otherwise, we have to wait on the upper side to confirm some bullishness about 4800 only. Gas prices again sharply down from 280 to 255 levels. Currently it is trading around a strong support, and we can see the prices to consolidate around the 254 to 255 levels. More decline on a close below 254 levels to test 250 to 245 levels also. So we can expect prices to trade for some time around the 254 to 256 for now, until next move comes. Move on to newses today. We have very important news at 7 p.m. unemployment claims. Previous it was 278k, and we are and they are expecting is 282. Okay, that is a very important news for all the base metals as well as dollar and bullions also. And we have at 9:30 p.m. crude oil inventory register, which is very good news for the next clear moves in crude oil. That's all from today. For more, visit our website akshayashiv.com. Thank you.